Hey guys, Jared Wesley here of Live Traders and back for another weekly trading review. Okay, lessons are on Wednesdays and trade reviews are on Saturdays. That's going to be the new schedule. So there's a few things I want to talk to you guys about before I get into some of the trade reviews. But this week I'm going to go over 3 trades, guys, 3 trades. 1 loser and 2 winners this week. It was actually a pretty slow week. I only traded 4 days this week because Thursday I couldn't even find a trade that I liked. And all in all, I only took 8 trades this week. Usually I take somewhere around 12 to 15 trades a week. This week was only 8 trades. It wasn't a great week. I think I only ended up about $2,500, a little bit under. I think it was like $2,480 or something like that. Only about 4 to 1 or 5 to 1 on my risk. Nonetheless, guys, let me digress here for just one quick second. You know, I've been telling you guys all the time, you know, you guys love charts. Charts are sexy, right? All this other stuff. And you know what? They are pretty cool. I like charts too. And I'm telling you guys all the time, like, you guys don't pay attention unless there's a chart on the screen. I know that's a blanket statement. It's not true for everybody. Many of you do pay attention. But this past week, I uploaded a video that was on my trading revelations, my turning points in trading, things that helped me get over that plateau, helped me become a better trader. And it was kind of mixed with text slides and charts. And sure enough, it didn't get nearly the traction that most of my chart videos get. So I'm just trying to tell you guys out there, the really good stuff is actually not in the charts. I know you're not going to listen to that, most of you. I'm going to put a few comments on the screen just so you guys can see. Just take a look, guys. These are comments that people made about last week's video, which was the turning points video, which was the things that helped me get over my plateaus and things that I think can help you get over your plateaus. I mean, look at those comments. Some of them, best video you've ever done, Jared. Those kind of comments, great video, incredible video, etc. and so forth. So, guys, when I tell you that text slides are more important than chart slides, trust me when I say it, okay? Because it really is important. You have to get the mental game. You have to get the money management game. Those are the things that are going to help you get over your plateaus. Now, to this week's topic, guys, on the trade review, I'm going to talk about 3 trades. Those trades are LULU, L-U-L-U. I'm going to talk about P-L-A-Y. And then I'm also going to talk about FIVE, F-I-V-E as well. Okay, so I have what I call an 84% rule, an 84% rule. And that basically means for my trades, I don't know for your trades because I am not you, and you need to back test this over at least 300 to 500 trades. But for my trades, okay, if I re-enter a trade that gave me a full stop out, and I've done a YouTube video on this, if I re-enter a trade that gave me a full stop, it has to be a full stop out, a full loser, a full loss. If I re-enter that trade at the exact same entry with the exact same stop loss, it works 84% of the time. And to give you an FYI, this year, just January so far, it's happened 6 times. 6 times, 5 of them were winners. That's 83.3% so far just this year. Okay, now the reason I'm commenting on this is because there's a big difference between theory trading and reality trading, okay? So I got into LULU. Let me put that up on the screen for you guys. I got into LULU, okay? And I was looking to get in this thing on a 1-minute 3-bar play because the daily chart was so nice. The daily chart was breaking out over a red bar, which was the $240 area. I wanted to get in this at 240, use a stop around $239. Well, it gave us a 1-minute 3-bar play, a wide range bar followed by a narrow range bar and then hopefully blast off. Well, because LULU is a spready stock, a whippy stock, I chose to get in just a little bit early. Instead of $240, I chose to get in at $239.90, $0.95, somewhere around there. Guess what happened? It filled me right at that point and then tanked and stopped out. It never broke $240. So I anticipated the 3-bar play, and you can see it on the screen. It was a beautiful 3-bar play that never technically triggered, but I didn't want to get skipped, so I got in a little bit early and it bit me. But here's the rub. I took a loss on it, okay? I think I lost $600 on it or somewhere around there, okay? And I said, you know what, guys, we're getting back in this thing when it comes back to $240. I'm going to use the 84% rule here, and we're going to get back in LULU at $240. Guess what happened at $240? it skipped me. It blew right past me, guys, and Lulu ended up going about $5 or $6 higher that day. Now, why am I bringing this up to you? I'm bringing it up to you because that's reality trading. This isn't this FURU trading you're seeing from everybody else where, oh, you buy here and sell there. No, guys, you do get skipped. You do take slippage. Those are the realities of trading. So in this case, I ended up losing $600 on this trade, when in reality, I should have made $600 or $700 because the second entry skipped me. Had the second entry filled me, we would have made about $1,100 or $1,200 on that trade, right? So net, we would have been positive. But in this case, because I got skipped, net, I was negative. I'm telling this to you because everybody on the internet's talking about fantasy land. The realities of trading are not fantasy land. It is extremely hard, and BS like this happens on a semi-regular basis, okay? So I just wanted to bring that up. The second entry on this would have worked using the 84% rule. I do have a video on it. Now, next up, guys, and remember, I'm going to put up the live video feed of these trades, okay? In a couple minutes, it'll be about 10 minutes long, and you can actually see my real fills, my real stop outs as well. The next one up, guys, is play, all right? Or I'm sorry, FIVE, F-I-V-E, I apologize. Okay, now take a look at this. This was a stock that was around 120 bucks, okay, the previous day. It gapped down to $95. That's a $25 gap, or roughly 25% on a $100 stock. That's what I consider to be an excessive gap. Excessive gaps we look to fade. When I mean fade, I mean if this stock is gapping down 25%, I'm looking to possibly go long on it. Possibly go long. And that's what we did. And this is where those pre-market charts really come into play. And remember, I did a video on pre-market charts also. So all the videos I'm putting out there, you can see me using my style, my theory, my method, okay? I'm using those things. I'm not just putting videos out for fun, for shits and giggles, for fluff. I really use these concepts. So note, the stock gapped down 25 bucks. If you use the pre-market chart, you can see on the screen in front of you, look at the huge, super wide range red bars. Look at the volume. So I looked at this as a climactic or a parabolic buy setup. I said, guys, we have to find a way in this. And then when the market opened, the stock left a bottoming tail on huge volume. I said, guys, we got to get in this thing. So I said $98 is the entry. The stop is $96.50. We had a $1.50 stop loss, and you can see the stock went up to about $105. Okay, that's what? $7 move, 4 to 5 to 1 on your money. I got out for 2 to 1. We made just over $1,000. I shouldn't say we, I made just over $1,000 on this thing, but I would never have recognized this or never thought to trade this if I didn't look at the pre-market chart. All right, the pre-market chart is what gave you that waterfall, that climactic move that we were looking for, okay? So ultimately, both of those trades were on Monday. I lost on LULU, and I made money on PLAY, and I ended up making about 400 bucks that day. Not a great day, because really, we should have made another 1,000 on LULU, and it should have been a $1,500 day. It is what it is. That's reality trading. Okay, it's not FURU trading, it's reality trading, okay? And then the other one, guys, that you're gonna see today, and I'll put it up on the screen now, is PLAY, all right? Take a look at this slide, PLAY, okay? Now, this was a stock that was gapping up about 10%, but it was gapping up over a daily and a weekly consolidation with lots of room to go higher, okay? Lots of room to go higher. So I wanted to find an entry in this thing, and what we ended up getting was a 5-minute 4-bar play. All right, a 5-minute 4-bar play right around $47.50 with a stop loss around $47. So we had about a 50-cent stop loss, and this thing ripped. I mean, thankfully for us, it hit our target by about 10 cents. We needed about a $1 target. It went about $1.10 or $1.20 and ended up making just over, I think, $900 or $1,000 or something like that on this trade. So again, guys, I only took 8 trades this week. I had 5 winners and 3 losers. And ultimately, guys, at the end of the day, it ended up being about a $2,500 week. So not a great week, but when you consider I only took 8 trades, it was actually a pretty solid week when you consider the efficiency. right? The efficiency of the week. Just a little bit bummed on the LULU because it could have made us an extra 1,200 bucks this week, if that makes sense. All right, so I wanted to go over those 3 trades with you. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to put the actual chat room in there, right? When I scan for these things, you can see my actual real-time live fills, because I know so many of you out there, oh, Jared, anybody can put up slides after the fact. I'm not putting up slides after the fact. I'm explaining the slides to you and what my thought process was and why I took the trade. And now you're going to see the real-time fills from those trades. So I hope you guys find this stuff valuable. I'm really trying to give you guys value here, and it's free, so everything's value if you want to look at it that way. But really pay attention to some of these lectures, guys. All right, there's a lot of folks out there on YouTube, and don't get me wrong, there's some really good stuff out there, but everybody else is giving you fluff. Like if you watch some of their videos, after 30 minutes, you're like, what did I really learn? All right, is she single or is she married? That's what I learned. Oh, you can be ridiculous and start over from 500 into $1 million. Now, why would anybody do that? I don't know. Oh, wait, marketing, that's why. Right, so there's just a lot of stuff out there that's fluff. If you want to get serious about trading, like really, really serious about it, pay attention to these videos, especially the Wednesday lectures. Yes, I get it. They're in slide PowerPoint format. I'm not talking to you like this, and people love the interaction. They only want 12-minute videos because everybody in today's society has the attention span of a gnat. Okay, and I get it. That stuff's popular. I'm not here to be popular. I'm here to show you what real trading looks like. And people always ask me, I get comments all the time, why do you do this, Jared? Guys, I'm 42 years old and I don't have to trade, right? I have a lot of other businesses and commercial and industrial real estate. I just love trading. That's what I started doing out of college, institutional buy-side trading, okay? So I love it. And what else am I gonna do with the rest of my day? My other businesses are on autopilot most of the time, although they do keep me a little bit busy here and there. My point I'm simply making is, you could take it or leave it. So that's why I give such good free content, because when I started, it's like you had to pay for every little thing. Like the industry was nickel and diming everybody, okay? So yeah, I have paid courses too, but I have a lot of really good free stuff on YouTube as well, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy that stuff. You can always feel free to email me, guys, if there's a topic you'd like me to discuss. Jared, J-A-R-E-D, @livetraders.com. Okay, and also there is an open house coming up soon. Free open house coming up soon. All right. And one more thing, guys, don't forget to crush the subscription button. Don't forget to hammer that like button in these videos if you actually enjoyed it. I'm Jared Wesley of Live Traders. Let's get to it. It's going to Lululemon here. Gapping up to 240.64. This is going to be one of my favorite ideas. And I like the pre-market chart on it around 241.40. There are a couple topping tails in this I don't like, but that's up at 244. But around 241.40 is kind of the line I'm looking at. You're gapping over 2 red bars, okay? Bottoming tail right here, so you know, a little bit of a bullish move there, but for our Thursday was a red bar. It's over a pivot, 73,000 shares. It's holding the $240 mark pretty good, 239.75 to 240 in the pre-market, right? So let's see how it handles that area, but Lulu is, assuming it stays in this range, is almost definitely going to be on my favorites list today. All right, so keep an eye on Lulu. I like it. I think this thing runs today. First stock on a short list is FIVE, 5, FIVE. This one could go either direction, guys. All right, this one could go either direction. This has some shock value, but it's almost too much in the sense that it's gapping down almost 20%. If you take a look at the pre-market chart, check how nasty the sell-off is right there. Momentum is slowing down a little bit. Volume spike at the bottom. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised if this thing bounced. Okay, I would not be surprised if FIVE bounced. Okay, it's got plenty of room to go lower. All right, down into the $86 area, but it's down a lot. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. I'm not super interested in shorting it, but I might be interested in going long. Either way, we'll just wait and see. There's no rush to go long or go short on this. We'll just wait and see. Lulu is definitely one of my faves today, guys. I like Lulu. I like it over 241.40, although it is interesting over 240. So let's do Lulu over 241.40. Although I'm going to say it again, it is interesting over 240. It's got a double bottom here. Take a look. Take a look at that pre-market right there. It's got a little double bottom. Okay. Save your pages. Know what you want to trade. It's Monday. Chill out. We will find a trade today. So no rushes. All right. I do like this LULU. I really want to watch LULU and PayPal. So let's keep an eye on LULU at 240. All right. If we can get a $1 stop on LULU, I might be interested in LULU. Okay. Big if. All right. If we can get like a 1 minute 3-bar play with a $1 stop, like 240 by 239, I'd be interested in that. So I'm just telling you straight out, watch LULU at 240. All right. The spread on this thing, wow. The spread opens up, guys, to 50 or 60 cents. All right. The spread opens up to 50 or 60 cents, guys, on LULU. Okay. Just careful. I really like it, but man, this spread is brutal. Watch LULU, guys. Shit, we're not going to get it here. Guys, LULU 240 by 239. LULU 240 by 239. All right, this is a bit aggressive because it's anticipating a 1 minute 3-bar play, and the slippage could be pretty ugly on this thing if it doesn't work. All right. Yep, here it comes. Come on, don't do that. All right, that was quick. That was quick. That was quick. Out LULU. This is what happens when you get a little bit too aggressive. It didn't quite trigger the 3-minute bar. I didn't actually take that much slippage, to be honest with you. I only lost 1.1 R. Guys, I'm going to get back in LULU, guys. All right. I'm going to get back in LULU, guys. LULU 240 by 239, 84%. That's all I'm going to type. I'm not going to type the whole thing. I don't have time for it. I have a bad feeling we're going to get a nasty fill on this thing. Wow, are you fucking kidding me? Come on. Really? Wow, truly wow. Wow, that's annoying. That's probably one of those everybody trying to get in at the same point and nobody got filled on that thing. I had my order a nickel early and I gave it 25 cents and I got nothing. And it'll probably end up working now. So this is one of those just, wow. I'm going to leave my order in, see if it comes back down to fill me, guys. All right. I'm going to leave my order in, see if it comes back down. Maybe that's a mistake. I don't know. But that was some horse shit right there. I started my order at 95 and I gave it 25, 30 cents. Not much more I can do on that. I told you guys, remember in my comment, we're probably going to get a nasty fill on this. It was just literally sitting at 239.93. And that sucks because, we're down an R and now we would be getting our money back. But nope, you get skipped. That's part of trading, guys. But you could argue it's a climactic. I'm going to give this a shot, guys. FFIV 98 by 97.50. FFIV, I know that was last second, guys. 5. Did I say 5? FIV 98 by 97.50. You can get it here if you want it. Looking at this as a climactic play, but it's a bit aggressive. My gut wants to get out of FIVE so bad, but I can't break my plan. I'm not leaving my wingman. My gut is like, just walk away from this thing, Jared. Just walk away. My guess on this is it might shake out under 97 and then go higher later in the day. Just the way the price action is happening, it might shake out under 97, then go higher. Now, obviously, clearly, I would love to be wrong on that and see this thing bust through 100 bucks, but you know what I'm saying. So if we can break 99, get to 99.50, get a little protection, that would be nice, but we're really struggling. Excuse me, guys. Really struggling in the $99 area. $100 mark could be a problem, guys. All right, the $100 mark could be a problem. All right, I'm just throwing that out there. Or not. Or not, right? All right, guys, get ready. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. One more push. Stop to 99.50, guys. One more push. Don't do that to me. Come on, baby. 5 stop to 99.50. All right, I'm going to need a little bit more on this because I just cheated. So I'm going to need a little break over this area. All right. I don't need 98 anymore. I need 101.05 because I cheated a little. I just took a little bit off right here. Ah, there it is. There it is. Done. Well done, guys. P-L-A-Y. So 46 bucks play is gapping up to on 40,000 shares. If you take a look at the weekly, which is a lot better to look at here for this, we are gapping over the important area of 44.25 right there. We're gapping up to 46, like I just said. We have room to basically 49.60 because that is where the flat 200 period moving average is on the weekly, not the daily, on the weekly. The daily is like 43.50 or something like that. So 46.19 is where we're at. It actually has a really nice consolidation over 46.30. This will probably, not definitely, probably be on my favorites list today. Okay, so I like this weekly chart, guys. It really has room back to 60, but again, there's a hiccup there at 49.60. It still gives us $3 or $4 to play with. If you take a look at an average day's move, you're looking at about $1 for this thing. A really good day, it would be about $3 or $4, but I'm going to say we're going to be between $1 and $2 today, probably $1.50 to $2. So I think we see 48 today on this. All right, but I do like it a lot. Over 46.30, it will probably make my favorites list. Now, the negative, the volume is really not that great. Pre-market, very good. 40,000 shares for this particular stock is outstanding, right? But this over here, in terms of the average daily volume, not so good. This thing does 500,000-600,000 shares a day, and that's, yeah, right? Not that great, okay? So, play, guys. Watch the play, man. This is... It's unfortunately already moving up here. 47 is not bad, but there it goes. Boom. I mean, it's just tough this early in the day to take those. All right, just really tough. Yeah, play is... Question is, how extended is play? Look at the little shake it has. Right? It's beautiful pattern. 47.50 by 47. I mean, it's a beautiful pattern. But again, how much more has it got left in the tank? We need $1 more from it. Right, we need $1 more from it. I'm thinking on the play, guys. I'm just telling you. I'm giving it some thought. If we stop, we're going to take slippage on it. All right. We need 50 cents to go to even. I'm going to try it, guys. 47.50 by 47 on play. Play. 47.50 by 47, guys. Play. Come on here. This thing is whippy. Careful, guys. It's very, very whippy on play. That break was good, but I don't like this pullback. I would say we might be done on play. We'll see. Need 48 to go to even, guys. All right. Unmol has Nio. Come on, baby. You can do one more pop for us. One more pop. All right, guys, break even on play. Break even on play. Break even on play. My thing's locked up, guys. My platform just locked up. Come on, play. One more pop. There it is on play, guys. Shit. I didn't get filled up there, guys. I didn't get filled up there, guys. I didn't get filled. I only got 600 locked here. Not much I can do here. Shit. All right, I got some of my shares off, guys, but I didn't get them all off. So play, I'm raising my stop, guys, to 47.85. I'm actually go 47.90. I didn't get all my shares off. It went to 48.50, but you can see the shares printed, and I didn't get my shares off there. All right, so I hope it bounces one more time, but we should be out of play hopefully here soon. I got out 3/4 of it. We need one more good pop on play, guys. This is I'm gonna go. Okay, never mind. We're out. Boom. Outplay. Boom. Done. All right. Nice. Outplay at target. Textbook 1 minute, but the concern was the pre-market. I mean, if we're being honest, it was a little bit aggressive here, right? I mean, it was. We have a wide bar, narrow bar. The pattern isn't the issue. It was pretty good gap, and it had already moved up. So I feel fortunate that we did well on play. I honestly looked at this as a stock that maybe we could get 1R out of and then just go to break even on. That was my thinking, in case you guys are going to ask later. Nice 1 minute 3-bar play, 4-bar play, but I thought if we can just get to 48, it won't matter. I really wasn't super confident we were going to get to 48.50, guys, but I'll take it. To get more great educational content, subscribe to the Live Traders YouTube channel. This way you'll get email alerts every time I upload a new video.